How was it? How did it make you feel?
There's a sense of fear at first, sense of panic, but then I tried to remember all the things Sensei told us just about trying to at least fight back as best as you can.
And did you feel like it was a struggle, sort of trying to remember things under that pressure?
Yeah, especially if you wear glasses. Because obviously once the glasses are off, you can't see.
Yeah.
So that's always a source of panic.
My problem was I was concentrating on one ahead in front of me because I could see the knife in front of me, but I couldn't see the knife that was being from the side.
Yeah.
The two who were holding me back, they were also coming in, but I couldn't see that knife. I could only my point was the one in front of me. I was trying to get him away from me, but obviously being attacked from the side was not in my mind.
So it's quite shocking, to be honest, if you've never been in that kind of an environment before. It does shock you. And I think the mistake I made is I went for the person in front of me. Maybe I might have got them down, but then by that time,
Everyone else,
behind me, exactly, they're just all over me. So yeah, it's quite a shock.
Yeah, so having spatial awareness,
Yeah.
because there can always be more than one person. So how did you've got the most? Yeah.
So for me, it's just I took like a couple of seconds to realize what's happening.
Oh right, okay.
So that's
Yeah, and a few seconds can always make a difference in survival
so
situation.
then they say, I'm tied up with the situation there. So
As you can see in it, there was a lot of distraction because the loud music. I think I got sprayed when I came in. I'm not sure.
Yeah, water.
So water, yeah.
Just water.
As the minute I fell on the ground, that was it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The minute you go down, then if there's more than one person, then it's usually it.
Did 20 press-ups coming in, that was good. And then I think it slapped in the face, and that was it, all over. I didn't even see any knives, so
Oh, right.
I was thinking, that's it, man. I'm out.